Welcome to Gigi's Lectures. In this video, I am going to talk about why English is called as a global language. Students often get this topic for assignments, and it's a common question seen in exams for a 5 marks or a short essay. In this video, I am going to brief out 10 points that causes English a global language. Before that, what's a global language? A global language is a language that is spoken and learned internationally, breaking all the geographical boundaries. Now, let's check out the 10 points one by one. Number 1. Some universal facts. There are 7.8 billion people on Earth, and we have 7,000 spoken languages, in which 350 million people speaks English as their first language or native language, and over 500 million people use English as their second language. So, English is spoken worldwide irrespective of their mother tongue, and it is the native language of US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and it has a special status, or it's an official language of more than 70 countries like South Africa, India. So, it's a lingua franca. You may have heard about the term lingua franca. Lingua franca, it's an Italian term meaning Frankish language. That doesn't matter. It simply means a common language. A common language that is spoken by people who have different mother tongues. So, English language is very prestigious in this 21st century. Number 2. British colonization. Before colonizing, the Britons were the only people who spoke English language. But once they started trade with the biggest continents like Asia and Africa, they settled in several parts of the world. Later, they started this language for administration and business dealings. Then it became the language of allied class or the educated class. Then it became the official language of many countries. Later, the two world wars, the progressive growth of America, westernization, modernization, globalization, everything promoted to the growth of English language. Within 400 years, a language that was spoken by 4 million people was made into a global language or world international language. Number 3. Science and technology. English language is widely used in the field of science and technology. The language has a great impact on scientific communication. The language is used in international conferences, seminars and workshops. 80 to 90% of scientific journals are kept and published in English language. The students have to learn English language because most of the professions, careers, researchers, everything are done in English. Even if we want to know a scientific update, we must know the language. Number 4. Education. It's a known fact that most of the books of higher education are written in English. And when it became the official language, we are compelled to learn it. Information stored in the form of books, journals and electronic form are also in English. Teachers and students can get this information by accessing internet. If we want to study in a foreign country or a foreign university, we must know the language. We should master the language. Most of the literatures in science and technology, IT, research, medicine, law, everything are only available in English. Most of the researches are also done in English. Number 5. Employment. Language skills in English is very important when we go for an interview. It is above educational qualification. Both national and international companies encourage the English language skills of a person. If we acquire the LSRW, the English language skill, LSRW means listening, speaking, reading and writing. If we acquire this LSRW in English, we get ample opportunities and we can work anywhere in this global job market. Number 6. Business. English is used in international and national business, trade and commerce. Multinational companies use English for their communication because most of the technologies in IT are done in English. To conclude, English is the language of global business. Number 7. Internet. Internet breaks the boundaries as fast as it could. New trends bring tremendous changes in language too. Now computer, internet, smartphones, 3G, 4G, everything became a part of our life, especially in the era of coronavirus. As an international language, English is used to design websites and to browse internet. And the fact is, 56% of internet sites are done in English. The other languages are only below 6%. Number 8. Travel and tourism. Travel and tourist departments, agencies, companies, both national and international, use English as easily accessible and fast medium of communication. If we want to travel to a foreign country, we must know their language to communicate with them. But it's not possible to learn all the foreign languages. So there must be a common language to communicate. The serves the purpose of English language. And also, international travel agencies recruit people who are excellent in English language to communicate with the international tourists. Number 9. The press and media. World's leading newspapers and magazines are printed in English, same as in news broadcast and television programs. These newspapers and television channels has a great impact over the English language skills of a non-native speaker. This really helps to improve our English language skills. World organizations like UNO, UNESCO, BRICS, Interpol, WHO, etc. all uses English language. Number 10. Entertainment. Entertainment through movies, music and all popular cultures are promoted by English language. Hollywood itself is a great example. They use English language to communicate or to convey their message or make it understood by maximum people in the world. People all love entertainment, and we have special programs for specialized age groups. For instance, children have cartoons, movies, etc. They all entertain at the same time, enhances their English language skill. And for adults, we have news channels like BBC, CNN, and entertainment channels like Action, National Geography, Discovery. Everything helps to enhance our English language skill. Day by day, the importance of English language is increasing all over the world. I conclude, due to all these reasons, English language is called as a global language. And world economies like Russia, China and Japan all are focusing on English language at a global level.